So I am back with my second tutorial of dance, that is of the Jawani song. Hope you all like it. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, we'll start with the music. That is, your hand should be pointing outwards, both sides, and leg little bit broad. So you have to start with the right side, that is with the wrist. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It will go 8 times. When you go right, you have to see right. When you go left, you have to see left. Again, 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here left side, the step is finished. Next step with the words is the lyrics. मौका है, मौसम है. So in that we'll do right side will clap first and then left side will clap. 1, 2. When you go right side, the leg will be right, and when you go left side, the leg will be left. That is clap. The clap will be like this, not like this. It will be like this. 1, 2, 3, start. मौका है. 1. Again, 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little bit wave you have to give to your body. Again, 1, 2, 3, start. Right, clap, left, clap, right, clap, left, clap. 4 times it is. After finishing this from the left side, you have to start again with the right side with the clap 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that, completing 4, clap for to the left side. Little bit broad, your normal when you stand, just stand it normally. The legs will go, jump, you have to little bit jump, and you have to jump on your heel. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be continuously with the step. Simultaneously, ये चलता रहेगा with your hands. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now with the hands, what you have to do? You have to rotate your both the hands. The hand should be like this. One finger, 1, 1, and when you come here, the hand will be like this. You don't need to stop over here and then you start. Automatically when you come over here, start this. And the continuously leg movement will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, so both together is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands will be go till here only. Till not above here. Till the shoulder. That's it. Again, 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Give a shaking to your hands. Okay. So from starting, that is to the music, hands pointing outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then clap, 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 clap. Jump on the heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, got it this much? One is दीवानी. Always remember which side, जहाँ भी आप देखते हो, please your eye should be on the same side. Okay, so right side, that is दीवानी धड़कन की. Okay, now धक धक, see wave, see कहानियाँ. When you are taking a wave, when you are taking this dhak dhak wave, your leg should be joined. After that, right hand will be straight, and you have to do just jump and right side. Your both legs should be straight and jump with the left leg. Your both legs should be straight, and your right will be coming front with the small jump with a right hand front. It's this. lower back, little bit low. So it will be this. Again, 1, 2, 3, start. दीवानी धड़कन की धक धक वैसी कहानी. Okay, got it? After this, right and left. But what you have to do? You have to cross your left leg with the right. That is jump. Left cross, jump. Right cross, jump. Left cross, jump. Right cross. 4 times. Okay. But with the hands, hands will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right side 1, left side, right side, left side. Now both together. Jump, right, jump, left, jump, cross, jump, cross. Got it? Again, 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. The lyrics goes, ये रात है जो पल बीते हाथों से. Again, 1, 2, 3 from the दीवानी. 1, 2. दीवानी धड़कन की धक धक सी कहानियाँ, ये रात है जो पल बीते हाथों से. Okay, completing after this, the right leg coming in the front, and from here your hands will be 1, 2, 3, 4. First of all, your hands going यहाँ पे complete हुआ. Now right front में 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 1, 2. Okay, 4 times. And the legs will be 1, 2, 3, 4. हाथ जा रहे हैं उसके साथ पैर भी जाने चाहिए. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. ये रात है जो पल बीते हाथों से तू न जाने दे. Again, completing over here, change the leg, left. Now your left hand will be in front, and again say 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times right, 4 times left. When you go right, your right leg front, and when you go left, your left leg is front. Okay. Again, 1, 2, 3, start. ये रात है जो पल बीते हाथों से तू न जाने दे, तू न जाने दे. Jump up and down, same left, up and down. Next hand, other hand will be on the waist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again jump. 1, your hands will be going this to the diagonal. 1, 2, and गिली गिली अक्का उसमें 1, 1, 2, 3. अगेन जो पहले जो हमने जंप किया था राइट आगे, सेम पर पहले 1, 2, 3. पूरा सीक्वेंस 1, 2, 3 स्टार्ट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These steps will be 2 times. ये जवानी, only this much. 1, 2, 3 start. 1, 2. ये जवानी. Now your hands will be like this, shaky both the hands. 1, up, up, down, down. Corners, 4 corners is up corner, up, up, down, down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and your legs will be 1, 2, 3, 4. ये जवानी है दीवानी. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3 start. ये जवानी है दीवानी. The right way, on the right side, the right hand will be on front, and on the left side the left hand will be on front. 1, 2, 3 start. है दीवानी. Okay, again 1, 2, 3 start. ये जवानी है दीवानी. Okay, now we have to jump, a high jump. 1, the legs will be, the jump will be 2 times, that is 1, 2 and 1 and turn. Again 1, 2, 3 start. ये जवानी है दीवानी मेरी रानी रुक रुक में you have to just jump रुक जाओ and turn रानी. Okay, then देख जरा पीछे मुड़ के देख जरा. The hands will go this straight and your legs will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it goes देख जरा and you have to turn पीछे मुड़ के. The legs will be same but in front it will go this and in back it will go this. Okay, again 1, 2, 3 start. देख जरा पीछे मुड़ के. Now again turn. You have to take a turn from a left and again giving a full circle coming from the right side. 1, 2, 3 start. देख जरा पीछे मुड़ के. Okay, पीछे मुड़ के it's 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now चली कहाँ. चली कहाँ you have to just walk front by crossing your legs. That is 1, 2, 3 start. 1, 2, 3 and 4. But with the hands 1. When the right is crossed, both the hands will go right side outwards. Okay. 1, 2, 3 start. 1, 2 opposite. हाथ and पैर दोनों opposite जाएंगे. Right bar and right cross. 1, 2, 3 start. चली कहाँ. 4 walk. 4 steps. Okay. 1, 2, 3 start. चली कहाँ. ऐसे. Now उड़ के. 1 and 2. By doing this we are coming front. So by taking this step 1 and 2 again go back to your original place. Okay, again jump 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3 start. चली कहाँ. ऐसे उड़ के. Take a big step. 1 and 2. Okay, again 1, 2, 3 start. चली कहाँ. ऐसे उड़ के. Okay, now गिली रखा. Now you have to do to turn your hands like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. The legs will also rotate like this. 1, 2 and 3. Again. Now with both hand and leg together. 1, 2, 3. The right, after rotating you have to keep on a heel. Okay. 1, 2, 3 start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. When you do this, look right side. Okay. 1, 2, 3 start. Gili gili yakha. Gili gili yakha. Okay. Then the last step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And it's the end. Again. 1, 2, 3 start. 1, 2, 3. Rotate legs. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. And hands also. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. And the last step complete. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right side. Sit on knee. 1, 2, 3. थोड़ा नीचे जाओ. 1, 2, 3. अब left side थोड़ा नीचे जाओ. Again hold जवानी. ये जवानी है दीवानी. हाँ मेरी रानी. रुक जाओ ओ रानी. देख जरा. देख जरा. पीछे मुड़ के. Now walk. चली कहाँ. ऐसे उड़ के. हे. Okay, now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 times and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So it's the end of my whole video. Hello everyone, thank you for watching the video. Kindly share your views in the comment section below. And if you like, please give a thumbs up and share it with your near and dear ones. And before we both sign off, subscribe channel and also press the bell icon so that when I dance, you also dance with me. Thank you.